Ecom Squeezed, quick tips from Retail-Outsource.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your keywords are indexed on Amazon. So I'm going to use a tool called Helium10. And if you go, you have to sign up, and I think one or two searches every day. It's free. So if you just go to Helium10 and sign up, and once you're on the dashboard, you have to go and click listing optimization, and under that you'll find index checker. So the main function of this Helium10 index checker is to check if the keywords are indexed correctly. In some scenarios, in Amazon will not index some of the keywords. Depends on a few things like the category you are in, and if Amazon thinks that that keyword is not relevant to your product, then it will not include it. But sometimes mistakes can happen. Their system is not perfect, so it's always a good thing that you check to check and make sure that your keywords, all the keywords, are indexed correct. So once we are on the dashboard, this is how it looks like. So from here, from the drop down, you can select any country that you want. So in this example, I'm going to select Amazon UK. Then you have to put ASIN, the listing that you want to check. So I'm just going to find one. Okay. Okay, let's take this one. So I will need to copy the ASIN first. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it here. Then seller ID, which is optional, but I will recommend that you put the seller ID as well. To get the seller ID, what you have to do, you have to go to the listing, and you can see sold by. The seller's name will be there, so you can open it, and you can see on the link marketplace ID. You can see, and is equal to, this is from starting from here till here. That's seller ID. Copy that. And you can paste it here, and the system will show with the image as well, so you can make sure that it's the same item. And we will just check, let's put the brand name to check if the brand name is indexed. Let's take some random keywords. Take that keyword. And we'll take that point. We'll take it which is unlikely to be indexed, and we will take this one. You can put a few keywords in to check. And I'm going to just go to item specifics and see if it's an index from here. So I'm just going to copy the model and put the model here. And I'm going to put some random words. And make sure that you have ticked both these options, so it will remove any duplicates. So in this case, there was 2 duplicates that have been removed. and to maintain the phrases. So all these phrases will be maintained as it is we have entered. So once you have entered all the keywords, you can just click check keywords. And one more thing you have to keep in mind is that, if you list now, like in the last 5 minutes, and then you come and check the index checker, it will not be indexed. It's always a good idea to keep it at least 24 hours before you do the test. So it's been tested. As you can see, the brand name is indexed. So I will tell you the difference of traditional index and field index. If I just click here, it will take me to the listing, and traditional is you'll put the ASIN plus the keyword on the search box, so you can see one result. So this item is it's indexed, that's keyword, and field ASIN. You can see on the link. It's searched using the URL. So again, one result. And that's how, and the main thing that we keep in mind is that cumulative, it's all been ticked. But you can see Wi-Fi repeater bridge. This has not been indexed. So you have to look into it, why it's not been indexed. So in this example, we found a mistake. It's not been indexed. Somebody is searching for Wi-Fi repeater bridge. This listing will not come up because Amazon thinks that's not relevant. So in these scenarios like this, you can always change the position of the keywords of this Wi-Fi repeater bridge. Change it, bring it forward, or bring it, include that on the back end or even on the PPC, and give it 24 hours and try out again. And if it's still not indexed, then it's always a good thing that you open a case with Amazon Seller Center and let them come back to you. So they have more option from their backend to include this index these keywords. So this is how you do the index checker. If you have any questions, please comment. We'll be more than happy to reply it. And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks a lot for watching.
If you sell on eBay or Amazon, or if you have few questions, then you could book a 30-minute free consultation from the link in the description below. You could also comment and we can help you out with it. Thank you.